Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I really try to grow everything in my garden organically, but with the crazy up and down weather, it's been very difficult. So I found this great organic product. This is from Green Rush Nutrients, and it's the Leafy Green Grow. I found that this product is so easy to use, and I feel completely comfortable putting it on my plants and seeing a lot of great results. So the product is really easy to use. It is just basically just mix into water, and then you just put it on your plants and then water as normal. I found that the plants really responded very quickly. I even lent some to my dad, and he noticed within 2 days difference that he saw significant growth with his plants. They suggest that you use it every other time of watering, and I can definitely say that that is more than enough. We even went away on vacation, so I used it a little bit less. But when I returned, boom, the plants have gone crazy. You can see everything looks super lush and green. They really responded well to this product. It has lots of great natural ingredients, and this can will definitely last you for quite some time. It says that it's good for up to 8 plants. I have about 12 in my greenhouse area, and it's been more than enough. Really having great ingredients that are organic and safe are really such a bonus to having a wonderful garden. You will definitely see a lot of results going with this product. I found that it works great on my green plants, and I even used it on some of my flowers, and they got a nice boost as well. Great product from Green Rush Nutrients, and that's my point of view.